Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not recognizing on Redmi Note 15. So first go into the settings, then scroll down to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Go into fingerprint unlock, draw your pattern. Now take a microfiber and clean this area right here. Now select your fingerprint, remove fingerprint and add another one. Draw a pattern and now do what the instruction says. Scan your finger at every angle. And done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.